Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. A family has two children along with their parents. This is father, mother, children 1, children 2. There are two children along with their parents, father and mother. Average of weights of children and their mother is 50 kg. Average weight of children. Let the weights of father and mother be F and children weight are C1 C2. Then average of weights of children and mother is 50 kg. So C1 plus C2 plus M divided by 3 is equal to 50. Will gives us C1 plus C2 plus M equal to 150. This is equation 1. The next provided is the average of weights of children and their father is 52 kg. Average of weights of children and father is 52 kg. That means C1 plus C2 plus F equal to 156. This is equation 2. Now if the weight of father is 60 kg. Now weight of father is given 60 kg. C1 plus C2 plus 60 equal to 156. It means C1 plus C2 is equal to 156 minus 60. That is 96. C1 plus C2 is 96. Now put C1 plus C2 96 in this equation. 96 plus M will become 150. So mother's age will be 150 minus 96. That is 54 kilograms. So mother's age is 54 kg. Option D is right answer. Next question is from direction sense test. North, south, east and west. First of all, I have written these directions: east, west, north and south. A started from his house. A started from his house and walked 20 meters towards east. This is A. Where his friend B joined him, they together walked 10 meters in same direction. So from this margin, B is joining A and they walk together for 10 meters. 10 meters A plus B. Then A turned left while B turned right. A turned left. So here will be our A. B turned right. So B is coming downwards and travel 2 meter and 8 meter respectively. 2 meter and 8 meter. 2 meter, 8 meter respectively. Again B turned left and travel 4 meter. B turned now left. B now turned left and travel 4 meter. 4 meter. Followed by 5 meter to his right. Followed by 5 meter to his right. And here is office of A. Office. To reach his office. A turned right. A turned right and traveled 12 meter. Now A turned right and travel 12 meter to reach his office. This is office. What is the shortest distance between two offices? Now we have to find shortest distance between two offices. These two offices are in straight line. If we observe, then all those two offices are in straight line. So we can easily find shortest distance between two offices is nothing but our vertical distance. This is our vertical distance is shortest distance between offices. Vertical distance between these two will be 2 meter plus 8 meter plus 5 meter. 2 plus 8 plus 5. That is 15 meters will be the shortest distance between two offices. Option A is right answer. Next question is consider two statements S1, S2 followed by question S1 is P and Q both are prime numbers. S2 is P plus Q is odd integer. Now for prime numbers we know that 2 is the only even prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on are some prime numbers. Prime number means the number which is divisible completely by 1 and itself. So prime numbers cannot be factorized. We know that. So P and Q both are prime numbers. P plus Q is odd integer. If we add 2 plus 3, then we get 5. That is odd value. But if we add the numbers 3 plus 5, we will get even integer. 5 plus 7, 12 is also even integer. So we are receiving odd sum only for this 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. As it is said that p plus q is odd integer, p and q must be 2 and 3. So only statement 1 is not sufficient to find out the values of p and q, because in this there is some possibilities that if 2 is there, then 2 plus 3 is 5 is only the odd value, but from 3 onwards we will receive only and only even values. Then question is pq an odd integer? Is p and q an odd integer? Which of the following is correct? Here both S1 and S2 are necessary to answer the question. So our answer is option D. Both S1 and S2 are necessary to answer the question.